malt master, David Stewart. He's been with the distillery for 60 years and he's the longest serving malt master in the Scotch whisky industry. And in fact, he is behind the iconic expressions of the Doublewood 12-year-old and the 14-year-old.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Dram Club. I am Kriti.
And I'm Swati.
And for our Whiskey for Dummies series today, we will be talking about the two core expressions of the Balvenie distillery that are available in India, and they also come from Speyside.
And we will not just talk about the expressions, we will also talk a little bit about the story and the history of the distillery. The Balvenie distillery is situated in Speyside, in fact, next door to the Glenfiddich distillery. Balvenie was founded by William Grant in 1892 after he had already established the Glenfiddich distillery in 1886.
So before we start with the history, here's a quick quiz question for you. Name the third distillery that William Grant started and let us know in the comments. So Swati, can you tell me what makes Balvenie so special?
Right. So William Grant, when he started Balvenie, he really wanted to pay homage to the craft of whiskey making.
Right.
And in fact, even after 130 years, Balvenie is one of the very few distilleries which has preserved its tradition of how it makes whiskey. People at Balvenie always talk about the 5 rare crafts. First one, Balvenie grows its barley from its own farms, right, which is called Balvenie males. The second is, unlike a lot of distilleries in Scotland, Balvenie is one of the very, very few distilleries that has its own malting floors. So they do their own malting. They have coppersmiths on site which take care of the stills. In fact, they say that the stills are not exactly the same shape as they were when they were installed because it goes through a maintenance process, and that maintenance process is called sweetening of the stills. So they are slightly different from how they were when they were installed. The fourth craft that they talk about is cooperage. So they have, unlike any distillery in Scotland, they have their own cooperage, and the coopers maintain the casks, which again is a big influence on how the whiskey tastes. And fifth, and the most important, is the malt master, David Stewart. He's been with the distillery for 60 years and he's the longest serving malt master in the Scotch whisky industry. And in fact, he is behind the iconic expressions of the Doublewood 12-year-old and the 14-year-old, which we are going to talk about.
That's quite nice actually, and you know, because there's so much of history tied up with Balvenie, I have one question.
Yeah.
Have you been to the distillery?
Yes, I've had the good fortune of visiting the distillery. I visited the distillery in 2019. In fact, it was during the Speyside Whisky Festival, which again is a very, very big whisky festival in Scotland. So they took us around the entire distillery, spoke to us about their crafts. They showed us the farms, they showed us the malting floors, and in fact, malting was going on, so it was quite an experience. And the distillery tour ended at their warehouse, where the then global brand ambassador Gemma, she made us take a sample out of the casks.
Wow.
And we got to taste the whiskey straight from the barrel, and also we could carry a small 200 ml sample back with us. So that was a very, very interesting, actually a very, very memorable experience.
I can imagine.
Yes, so
Not
that
bad.
was super fun.
That's quite interesting. I mean, I wish I could go to Scotland, hinting. But okay, so I also want to understand what's so special about the 12 and the 14-year-old.
Yeah. So again, Balvenie is a very quintessential Speyside whiskey, and like I said, they have preserved their traditional styles of whiskey making. For anyone who really wants to understand how a Speyside whiskey, classic Speyside whiskey would taste like, I think the Balvenie 12 is a good example. It's double wood. It uses 2 of the most popular casks. So it starts in American oak casks, which are ex-bourbon barrels, which gives it a hint of vanilla and, you know, some honey. And then a part of it is also matured in sherry oak casks. So you get those fruity notes, those spicy notes. Again, a very easy, a very palatable whiskey.
Would you suggest to our viewers to enjoy this whiskey neat in a cocktail?
I would suggest to enjoy it neat. I think it's a beautiful whiskey on its own. If you feel it's a little heavy on your palate, or you're not being able to get the taste, just add a little bit of water so that it opens up. But I think 40% ABV, very light, very easy, very approachable, quintessential Speyside in a bottle.
And what about the 14-year-old?
So 14-year-old is actually, to be honest, one of my favorite expressions from Balvenie. The whiskey is finished in Caribbean rum casks, so it brings a lot of tropical fruit notes into the whiskey, which is a very, very distinct departure from the 12-year-old. The 12-year-old is your traditional sherry oak and bourbon oak, but the 14-year-old is matured in rum casks, so it gives it a very, very different dimension to the whiskey. This is the whiskey which I would possibly want to make a cocktail out of. Not something very laborious or very detailed, just a very, very simple old fashioned. It would have some tropical notes, some bitters, and I think that would be my way of having the Balvenie 14-year-old.
So it seems like Balvenie and its core expressions are quite versatile to enjoy, whether it's neat or as a cocktail.
Yeah. For entry level 12 and a 14-year-old, it has quite diverse flavor profiles that it offers. In fact, Balvenie also makes peated whiskies. So they have not a lot, but they do. This tradition is called Week of Peat. It started in 2002. So what they do is 1 week of the year, they use peat to malt their barley. And they use Speyside peat and not Islay peat to impart very subtle, very gentle smoky flavors. And the expression that they launch is also called the Week of Peat series. Unfortunately, we do not have it in India. But again, it's a very, very beautiful whiskey. Again, very Speyside classic flavors of honey and vanilla, but with that subtle smoke. I think that's just a chef's kiss.
So with that, we come to the end of our video. If you enjoy a Balvenie a certain way, or if you have tried it, let us know how you like to enjoy it in the comments below.
And please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
Cheers!